So much cloth.
That's your supply.
Yeah.
Not bastard. I almost died last time from this because they smashed the door in.
I'm at 100% wet right now. What's that?
I think they woke up. They tried a Nightingale, Soul Mask, Once Human, lots of other games. Oh yeah, no, there's never a shortage of games, but a lot of them are in early access. And like Enshrouded, for example, it's probably the one I'm looking forward to the most.
I see what happened last time.
Yeah.
When he jumps up, it can hit me forward.
Oh, I see.
I can't hit him when he's doing that. Oh, yeah. I just fell.
Yeah, Enshrouded, and honestly, like Enshrouded, I'm so excited to play. I'm really upset one thing got spoiled for me, but I'm like really excited to play that one. But I'll be waiting on that one. Nightingale was probably my most look forward to game. There's a wall safe in here.
Huh. I wish I had lock picks.
But now it's kind of dropped because I've heard I know quite a few people have played it now, and I think they've got a really solid idea. Just maybe execute it not right, or just it's too early. Soul's Mask, I've heard nothing but good things about Soul Mask, so it's another one I'm really looking forward to. And Once Human, it's so weird. It's like I've heard amazing things on it, but there's like some really big drawbacks. But yeah.
Oh, there's a cop in this next room. Yeah.
I think the thing that holds me back from
close this door and pretend like nothing's happening.
I think the thing that draws me the most away from Once Human is the fact that it's like an open server. Because when I play a survival game,
there's a cop right outside that door. He's still laying down.
I want to feel like alone, unless I'm like with a couple friends. Because nothing takes me more out of the game than walking around and seeing other player-made.
He's gonna be on the right.
Player-made stuff. Oh shit!
Drop.
It's going south.